How to get WhatsApp on iPad. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to get WhatsApp on iPad. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So getting WhatsApp on iPad is the same as getting WhatsApp on an iPhone. So I'll demonstrate it to you on iPhone. So to do that, you just need to head over to App Store. Both iPad and iPhone have that. Click on search on the bottom and then click on this search bar right here. Now let's search for WhatsApp. So let's search for WhatsApp right there. And then this will load for a while in order to retrieve the information. Then scroll down until you can see this WhatsApp Messenger. So just click on that. And you will see a get button. So just click on get button right there or update your WhatsApp if you already have that. So after you have installed WhatsApp, then you should be able to use it on your device. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to get WhatsApp on iPad. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.